How to fix a suspended Instagram account. If you are watching this, chances are your Instagram account has been suspended or disabled, but don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I will walk you through why your account might be suspended and how to get it back step by step. So let's get started. First of all, why was your Instagram account suspended? Before we fix your account, let's figure out what went wrong. Instagram suspends accounts for several reasons, including violating community guidelines, excessive activity like following or commenting too quickly, using third-party apps or automation tools, copyright violations, posting content without permission, false reports from other users. Now, how to recover a suspended Instagram account? Let's go through the step-by-step process to appeal and recover your account. Step 1 is to check your email from Instagram. Instagram usually sends an email explaining why your account was suspended. Check your inbox and spam folder for any messages for Instagram. Go to your Gmail account. Then if you get any email from the Instagram, they might appear right here. Or if it does not, then check your spam. Now tap onto 3 lines right here. Then scroll down and tap onto spam. The email might be available right here. If you believe your account was suspended by mistake, follow these steps to submit an appeal. Go to the Instagram login page and enter your credentials. For that, go to Google and open the Instagram on the website, just like this. Then tap on to login. If you see an option to request a review, click on it and follow the prompts. If that is not available, visit the official appeal form of the Instagram. Fill in your details and explain why your account should be reinstated. Be polite and precise. Then provide verification details. Instagram may ask for additional proof like a photo of yourself holding a verification code, business documents, any proof that you did not violate their terms. And finally, wait for Instagram's response. It usually takes 24 to 72 hours, but in some cases, it can take longer. Be patient and keep checking your email. And that's it for today's video. I hope this guide helped you recover your Instagram account. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'll try to help you out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.